Warren Buffett warns against options, but here's how he literally made $5 billion selling them. Yeah, you heard that right. The same Warren Buffett who constantly tells investors to avoid options once pulled off one of the biggest option trades in history. 2008, during the global financial collapse, he literally sold billions, nearly $5 billion in put options, the same stuff that I talk about on this channel. He sold long-dated, 10-year plus options on all the big indexes, including the S&P 500. And just like selling options, exactly like I talk about on this channel, he collected all the premium up front. Like I said, nearly $5 billion. He structured the deals so he didn't even have to put up collateral or anything. You guys are small, I'm small, we have to put up collateral along the way. He didn't, and he was committing to buy shares if the price continued to go down. But Warren Buffett is super smart. He knew he was selling puts at the collapse of the financial markets, right? He knew long term that the stocks would go up. And was he right or was he wrong? He was right. He kept all that premium. He didn't have to buy anything. And that is selling a put. You are paid upfront for committing to buy something if it goes lower. Of course, you have to be committed to buying that stock if it goes lower, so there is a little bit of risk involved, but this is literally how you can make tons and tons of money for yourself on a weekly basis. If you want to learn more about how to sell a put, I'm putting on a live event in about 5 days' time. I'm going to put the info in the link below. I hope to see you there.